The tool is called CPU set or CSET, shortened, and is available on SUSE Linux Enterprise 11 only currently. But it is open source, so all we do on the server is open source, with the exception of Java due to legal reasons. Going from mission-critical deployments now to Unix server replacements. Linux is not Unix, but it's a little Unix-like operating system, and so it's obvious that customers try to deploy classical Unix applications and infrastructure on top of Linux. We have identified a few gaps in the past years which we try to fill and which we fill with SUSE Linux Enterprise 11. The first of this is swap over NFS. A lot of customers ask us to implement this feature. It is not yet upstream, but I think it's currently going upstream. It's a little bit difficult to implement because you have pre-allocate space in the kernel so that you still have network resources available even if the kernel is under memory pressure. Second thing is high-end hardware integration. Here we work jointly with all the big vendors that you can imagine and which have CPUs and chipsets, and with all the IHVs which build on this, and also with the component vendors specifically in the storage area, so fiber channel iSCSI area, to really bring all the features which we expect on a real mission-critical data center ready operating system, to run SAP on it, to run databases on it, DB2, Oracle, and so on. We have additional profiling, debugging, and development tools. These are mostly on SLAS, some are on the software development kit. And as already said before, we have a cross-architecture strategy, and this is the 5th generation of it. So we not do that the first time here, but the 5th time that we have 5 architectures and support that fully and have the same software stack across all these architectures. In the virtualization area, sorry to jump over, but I want to bring most information to you. In the virtualization area, we have Xen as a fully supported hypervisor, and we have in SUSE Linux Enterprise 11 GA KVM as a technology preview. Also a, let's say, partially competitive technology to Xen, but currently we see Xen as the leading open source enterprise ready hypervisor platform. This may change in the future. We acknowledge that KVM has some very interesting opportunities and a very fast development, and we will support KVM in SUSE Linux Enterprise 11 SP1 for specific workloads. So we will not generally support it as we do with, well, with Xen more or less. We support a broad range of a matrix of operating systems and versions. And for KVM, we will start with a limited definition of what we will support. But we will support